It's so good to be in front of a camera again. Not that I have been away so long. I haven't been away that long. Maybe about 5 days. I have been drafting patterns and testing patterns. So I'm going to show you what I have been up to for the past week per se. I have a few makes to share with you. And all of these are from patterns that I would have drafted. So if that is something that you are interested in, then keep on watching. Everything that I'm going to share with you today, I'm going to insert pictures or videos. Okay, so the first thing that I drafted would have been a bralette. And I don't know what told me I was this busty. Obviously, I'm not. I'm not busty at all. But this was my first trial. That's how it looked. That goes across the underbust. And obviously that goes behind the neck. And I realized when I created this that I made the chest area too big. I'll give this to my daughter. So hopefully she can wear that. I went back and I corrected the cup and I came up with this. A lot of these pieces are from those that I already had, and I just upcycled them. So this gingham is from a men's shirt that I had, and so I thought which better way to give it a life than to give it a bralette. This one fit so much better, and so because of this one I was inspired to do another one. I'm trying to work on my summer wardrobe, so all of these pieces are inspired by my summer wardrobe. This is the next bralette. It might be a little worn because I had it on to take pictures for you. This was from a dress that a friend would have given me. I made this one and the fit is just as beautiful as the other one. And so I love these bralettes. So those were the first things that I would have pattern tested. This was the first thing that I created. I almost forgot. And this is just a off the shoulder ruffle top, and it has elastic at the shoulders as well as on the waist or at the bottom. I love it. And this here was a dress that I had and I gave it a new life. And then I was like, okay, let me make some shorts. Someone told me I'm very colorful. I am, but I love colors. So these are the first pair of shorts that I came up with, and they have pockets. And I love the way these shorts fit me, and it's a button and zipper fly. And I had to create this buttonhole from scratch because for some reason I bought my brother limited edition, the buttonhole never worked, and so I never bothered to do anything that required a button. So I decided to just do it by hand, because normally I would just use a hook and eye. So that's these shorts, and they turned out so beautiful. The only thing I didn't like about them, it was a little too slack. So I decided, let me go back and tweak my pattern a little bit. And then I came up with another pair. So I came up with these ones. It's the same type of It's the same type of fabric as the other one, just a different color. It has a button and a zipper flying shield, and it also has pockets. The pockets are a little different from the other ones, and these pockets, this one fits me better in terms of how the pockets lay. The one that I showed you just now, the pockets have like a weird placement. I don't know what I did wrong. These ones, but the only difference now, those ones were a little too slack. These ones are a little bit snug. But I figured that, like sometimes when you have, I don't know if you notice, but in my experience, sometimes when you have on a pair of shorts, it grows. And so I know that these are going to, if I have them on long enough, it's going to just ease a little bit and it'll be a little bit slacker. So that's what I'm anticipating will happen to these ones, and then they will be the perfect fit. But other than that, they fit me oh so beautifully. If you have made it this far in the video and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting on? Come and join this family. I would love to have you over here, and I would like if you would interact with my videos. After I created those two pants pieces, I was like, okay, I will need something to be around the house, and so I created what I am wearing now. Now this is very see-through. I've had this fabric probably for like 4 or 5 years, and I never knew what to do with it because it's so see-through. And what I love about this fabric, I don't know, it has like a fuzzy on the inside. This was supposed to be on the outside because on the pants, I don't know if you could see it, but on the pants I have it on, this is supposed to be on the inside. Consciously, when I did the shirt, I put it on the inside because when I put on the neck binding for it, I accidentally put it on the side instead of the fuzzy side. So for the top, the fuzzy side is in, whereas the bottom, the fuzzy side is out. I'll still wear it, but I didn't take pictures in this one. This is also see-through, but I'll just wear it over my bathing suit, or I'll just wear it in the house. I love it. It's like a crepe type fabric. I wanted to sew some more, but then I have to work around my husband. So my husband is home in the days and goes to work in the night. And so while he's home in the day, I can't really sew like that. And in the night, I'm probably exhausted and everything, so I don't bother most times. All right, so the last thing that I have for you is this halter, I guess, back out dress. This is also another see-through fabric, and I had this one for a couple of years as well. And so I never really used it because it's not that I don't know how to line stuff. I just feel like that's double work. It's just the laziness in me. So that's the front of it, and this is the back. And I think it is so, 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 so beautiful. But like I said, it's see-through. I'll still wear it, trust me. I just will have to figure out a way to be able to wear it, because it's not like I could put on a bra. I don't have a lot of boobs, but I don't just let them hang. They might be hanging if you see me in this dress, but I don't really let them be so free. I wear this, I will have to wear like maybe a tights under it, or I could just put this over or use this like a beach cover up. And so when I make it again, I'm definitely going to make it from fabric that is not so translucent. And I feel like this elastic, I probably could have come in just a little bit more just to give it a more snug fit. But I noticed, because I did take it in a little bit, but I noticed that it raised it up a bit higher, but it wasn't as snug. So maybe I'll just leave that. That is it for what I have been up to. I did tutorials for everything else that I sewed. So these you haven't seen a tutorial for, because I haven't shared with my pattern drafting or the making of any of these with you. Don't be shy. Like the video and comment in the comment section something about the video so that I can know what it is that you would like from me in future videos. And if you like my videos, you know, I would appreciate if you just say something. I do thank you, those persons who return to my channel over and over again. I do thank my new subscribers. I really appreciate all of you. Love you. If you would like to see a tutorial for any of these pieces that I would have showed you today, just drop it in the comment section below this video. I will see you in the next video. Be blessed. Bye.